Hello, class. Good morning and welcome to week 2 of our fall 2025 Data 10 901D class. So, this is fall 2025 Data 10 asynchronous class. Once again, we do not have regular classes for this. You will have to complete all your work using the guide videos that are given to you and complete your work on time. Okay. So once again, yesterday was a holiday, Labor Day. So today, I come back to you with all the instructions, and here we are, week 2. To reach week 2, some of you may, if you do not know, click on content, and you will see the week-wise arrangement of this class. Click on week 2. I hope all of you have completed your first graded discussion, which is your introduction. Now we are on week 2. Okay, so click on week 2. This week, the tasks for you are, I hope all of you have signed up to SimNet. If you have not signed up to SimNet, please log in, click on this and sign up to it. If you already signed up to SimNet login, and there is also a guide video explaining how you need to log in or sign up to SimNet if you have not signed up. Okay, you don't have to sign up again. SimNet can only give you one account for one MPID. Okay, right. So make sure when you sign up, in this explanation, you may see a different class because it was from the previous semester. Make sure you select your fall 2025 Data 10 901D Daniel Lazarus. That's the name of the class. Okay. So make sure you select the correct class when you sign up for SimNet. But if you do not see the class, please make sure you send an email to me and I can have SimNet add your name to my class. It may be because you attended a previous class in the previous semesters of Data 10 or you are taking another completely different course like Business 110 or Data 33, which is using SimNet. Okay, so if you don't see the class, please email me. I can have SimNet add you to this particular class. That's number one. Okay, number two is I hope all of you purchased your book. For more details, you should have clicked on the textbook and study material. It gives you all the information, and if you had clicked on this, it should take you to the book here for Data 10 Fall 2025 Computer Essentials book. Okay, this is one combination of both the books, Introduction to Computer Essentials and the 365 Office book that we use. Okay, once again, if you bought the book, check into your library. If you click into your library here on SimNet, once when you log into your SimNet, it should show like this. So this is your class, Fall 2025, Data 10 901D, is online asynchronous. Daniel Lazarus, that's my name. I will be your instructor for this course. And this is what you will see for the next 4 weeks of assignment. Okay, right. So if you bought the book and you have a code or you don't have a code, you call them, call SimNet. To call SimNet, you have to go back to the sign up page and then there you have your number there. Okay, so if you do enter the sign up page, it gives you the number. I can also post the number on the textbook tab here at the bottom, so you can call them. Okay, so when you get the tab, you can go to your name, click on your name here, and then go to products and then enter your code here. Okay, this is how you enter the code to receive the books in your SimNet library. Okay, so every time you get a new book, you will be using SimNet for more courses in future. So click on your name and click on products, and then you can type into this. You can also take a look at all the courses that you are doing and using SimNet for. Okay, right, products, enter code and add the code, which will add these two books, the Computer Essentials 2023 and Office 365 by Nordell 2021 edition. These two are the books that we are using. So now let's go back to our assignments. So if you go back to week 2, this week we start off with Microsoft Excel. So what we are doing is you're going to click on your class and you will be seeing all the assignments here as soon as when you log in. I'm just going back to see. As soon as you go, you are going to see all the assignments here week wise. This week we are completing Excel chapter 1. So click on this. You have to go through all your reading here and then complete your pause and practice exercises 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So when you click on exercise 1, you're going to have a file to download. This is the only file you will get to download because the completed file of pause and practice Excel 1-1, which will look something like this, is actually the input file for the second exercise. Okay. If you click this, you will see the file needed is the completed PP 1-1 exercise for the 1-2 exercise. Okay. So, but before you use that, make a copy of it, make sure, because you need to have all the 3 files to submit in Brightspace class. In the Brightspace, in week 2, you're going to find drop boxes for 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. Okay, there are 3 exercises, and you will find drop boxes for all the 3 exercises. See, there's 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. Okay, now when you click, for example, click on this, download the file, and follow all these instructions. Okay, now if you are new, if you are difficult with Excel, that's okay. I have completed each and every exercise myself. I've screen recorded it and uploaded it to the YouTube, and those video links are given here. When you click on this, it should take you to this here. See, Excel PP 1-1. So when you click on this, don't worry about the year and the course. This it may be from the last semester, but the exam the examples and the exercise are the same. Okay, so if you click on this, you'll be seeing me working out the whole. This is the Spring 2025 data Microsoft Excel. You should have Microsoft Excel on your computer. So this will explain to you how the exercise is done, step by step, each and every step until step 10. I've completed it, screen recorded it, and uploaded it here. If you're not able to see this playlist, try and subscribe to this channel. So you can unsubscribe it at the end of the course if you want. But just make sure that you're able to see all these exercises and complete them. There are 3 exercises this week you have to complete. After you finish your readings for all this, I will know if you have completed it, because when you do all these tasks that are given, you will get a check mark here. So I know your progress if you are completing your work and submitting your exercise. Every time you submit the exercise in the drop box here, I will be able to grade it. Okay, make sure that you submit it by the deadline, because these drop boxes will disappear at the end of September 7th, which is the due date. Okay, there are no late submissions in this course because there are only 16 weeks, and already we have lost a week, and there is a week of break in between. So basically there's 1 week of exams. So exactly you have 12 weeks out of the 15 weeks to complete 12 exercises of Excel, Word, and Access. So Excel has 4 weeks, Word has 4 weeks, and Access has 4 weeks. So that's 12 weeks and 1 week of break for Thanksgiving. And then you have a final exam week, and then we already finished week 1. So we do not have time for late submission. So you will have to follow the deadlines on these drop boxes. And because I have to submit, for example, let's say I have 25 students, and each of you submit 3 exercises. I have to grade 75 exercises before next Wednesday to give you the grades. Okay, but one thing is that you will not receive the grade every week. You will be receiving the grade only after 4 weeks after Excel is completed. So when we complete Excel, all the 4 chapters, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then you get the grades for Excel. Okay, because if you take a look at your grading, course details, SimNet assignments, Excel is 15%. So when you complete all of the Excel projects and the Excel, you get 20% of the grade after you finish it. Then after you complete 4 weeks of Word, you get 10%, and after 4 weeks or 4 weeks of assignments of Access, you get your grades for Access. Okay, so complete the assignments on time. If you have any questions, people who are good with Excel, if you are new first time, please make sure you download Microsoft Office. There is a link here given to you which says download Microsoft Office. It gives you the directions how to install it. If you have any problems, if you have a laptop and you're not able to, please take it to the Technology Service Center in Roscoe Brown Hall. They'll be happy to help you. They install it for you. Okay, all you have to do is just give them the laptop and log in for them, and they install it for you. But if you are doing it at home and you need help, you can call this number. This is the TSC, the Technology Service Center number that helps student in installing. Every BCC students get a copy of Microsoft Office 365 plus. Okay, please do not do it in the browser version. Do not open Excel in a browser version, because you cannot complete certain tasks in these assignments on the browser version. You have to open the Excel app. Pay attention, everybody. You have to open the Excel app and then do your exercise on that. Do not open your Excel on the browser. So that's why you may not be able to do these exercises completely on a Chromebook. Okay, people who have Macs, people who don't have an access to computers, you're welcome to use the computer labs on any lab in BCC when it is free, especially in Meister Hall. First level, second level, and third level, all the computer labs are open for Data 10 students, whether you are asynchronous, whether you are hybrid, or whether you're in-person classes. All the computers are open for you. Whenever you're free, you can go and use them and complete the exercises. Okay, so that's the first part of your week 2 task, is to complete your Microsoft Excel chapter 1 and submit the 3 exercises here, 1, 2, and here you go, you have 3 by September 7th. All right, so that's your first task for this week, is make sure you're signed up into SimNet and complete Excel chapter 1, all the pause and practice exercise. Number 2 is we have an online discussion for this week, and you are to read chapter 1 from your Computer Essentials book, which is, when you go back to the library again on SimNet, you have the Computer Essentials book here. Click on this. This has 13 chapters. So basically, this course has 2 parts. This is the theoretical part. You learn about computers, software, hardware, input, output devices, secondary storage devices, communications, networks, privacy, ethics, and the information systems. All these 13 chapters are included. Plus, this is the practical part in which you will be completing Excel. If you click on the book and you click on here, you will be able to see Word, Excel, and Access, and PowerPoint. PowerPoint is not included in your syllabus in this class, so you can ignore PowerPoint, but we are doing Word, Excel, and Access, not in the same order. First we complete Excel, then we do Word, and then we do Access. Okay, so click on the library. If you want to access the book, I've given you the shortcuts here, but if you'd like to access the book or the chapter 1 of Excel, you can also click on the library, you can click on Microsoft Office and click on the sections and click on Excel. This also brings you back to the 4 chapters. But to make it easy, during the before the due date, during the week, I have given you a shortcut list right here, so you can just click on that. But before completing your discussion 1, make sure you read chapter 1. So this week's reading is right here, chapter 1 of the Computer Essentials book. So click on this, you can read through this and then answer the question given here. Make sure that you read the guidelines for the discussions. The discussion first post is due by Wednesday midnight. That is your answer to this question after reading. So basically you have to complete your reading by Wednesday. And the second post or reply to other students is due by Sunday. Okay, because I see many times students just go on a Sunday night and just post a discussion. You will not get full grade for that. Okay, so but make sure you read your chapter 1 from the book. The other way to access your book is, again, click on library, click on Computer Essentials book and click on the first chapter. You could also do that, or click the shortcut that I have given you here. Okay, right. So week 2, you have a discussion. You have Excel chapter 1 to complete from your SimNet once again. Okay, please follow the video guidelines that are given to you here. If you click on this, it takes you to this here, and there's a whole list of chapter 1 through chapter 4. All the 4 Excel exercises have been recorded, videoed, and put on here for your guidance. Okay, so you shouldn't have any problem. But if you do have any questions, I'm happy to answer you during my office hours. Click on this, you will see my office hours, send me an email, and I will send you a link for my Zoom during my office hours. All right, everyone. So welcome to week 2 class. I hope everybody is having a good time. I hope you had a long weekend and you're all well rested, and we can start learning now. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'll be happy to help. So follow the tasks for each week. All you have to do is just click on the week and follow the tasks and complete your homework and submit your discussions, assignments, and the discussion rubric is here, how you're being graded for the discussion based on depth and based on the quality of the post. Don't think you can just post anything and you will get your grade. No, you will not. Discussions are a significant amount of class learning. So I assure you that you will get good grades if you do the readings and then post your information or complete this discussion assignment. All right, everybody. So once again, welcome to week 2. This is week 2 of our fall 2025 Data 10 course. Complete your work and good luck, everyone.